Sloped ceilings create shallow dead zones that under-eave storage solutions for small homes can exploit with custom shallow drawers and cabinets. Design low-height pull-out drawers that follow the roof pitch by measuring the slope at multiple points and building a drawer box that tapers to match. To use full extension slides rated for light loads and mount them on short cleats to keep the drawer face flush with the finished wall. Fit niche shelving behind knee walls by tearing back the drywall between studs, installing plywood backing and fixed shelves sized to the cavity, and sealing edges with trim to look built in. Label and rotate stored items seasonally so deep, narrow shelves do not become clutter traps. Install hinged top storage benches under eaves by anchoring a continuous ledger to studs, framing a shallow box with a sturdy front rail, and fitting a piano hinge or gas strut for smooth opening. Add ventilation holes if storing textiles to prevent mustiness. Consider sloped pull-down wardrobe doors where hanging space is needed by using a pivoting frame that follows the slope and a removable lower rail for easy access. Hang clothing on a telescoping rod mounted on the higher end and use tie-back straps to secure long garments. Lay out cubby rows for shoes and linens with uniform compartment heights and shallow depths so items are visible and easy to extract. Use labels or clear bins to prevent overfilling and stack rotated seasonal supplies near the back. Finish interiors with durable, low-profile materials such as 3/4-inch plywood with edge banding, moisture-resistant paint, and flush magnetic catches to keep faces aligned without bulky hardware. The three most common mistakes are making storage too deep and wasted, underbuilding for load, and ignoring ventilation and access. If you build too deep, you will create unreachable voids, so keep depth shallow and install pull-out drawers or cubbies that bring contents to you. If you underbuild the structure for load, you risk sag and failure, so always tie storage to studs, use proper cleats, and size materials to carry the expected weight of stored items. If you ignore ventilation and access, the space will become damp and unusable, so include small vents, leave a finger gap at the back of the lid, and design openings that let you reach far corners without crawling inside. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for built-in under-eaves work and to help contractors find projects that match their skills. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share design ideas, installation tips, and contractor recommendations.